Hello everyone. Today, we will practice a short German A1 reading. This is Lisa. She is 21 years old and comes from Germany. She lives in Munich and studies at a university. Her classes begin at 8 o'clock, and she has 4 courses every day. After university, Lisa often goes to the library. There, she studies and does her homework. In the afternoon, she meets her friends or goes shopping. In the evening, she likes cooking and watching TV. Now, let's answer some questions. How old is Lisa? She is 21 years old. Where does she live? She lives in Munich. What does she do after university? She goes to the library. What does she do in the afternoon? She meets friends or goes shopping. What does she do in the evening? She cooks and watches TV. Great work! I hope you understood the text and answered the questions correctly. If you enjoyed this A1 German reading practice, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more German lessons. See you in the next lesson. Bye!